Hi, Bonham Bears. My name is Mrs. Cochran, and I am a teacher here at Bonham. I am so excited to read to you. I'm going to read this shared reading story with you this week, okay? And the title of this story is called Summer Fun. Okay, but first let's listen to what we're going to do. First, we will complete the first reading. I will point and read the words. You will follow along and then respond to my questions. Are you ready? Yay! All right. My book today, the title of this book is called Summer Fun. The author is Louise Patrone. She is the one that writes the words of the story, or he is the one that writes the words. What do you guys notice on the cover? What do you guys notice? It is fun to play on the beach in the summer. This boy is at the beach. What other things do you like to do in the summer? Thank you for responding. I like to do those things too. So this is the back of the book. The author wrote some of these words and he wanted us to read it before we get started. Sometimes he has important information in here for us. He says, summer colors. There are so many things to do outside in the summer. And there are so many colors I see too. As I read, listen for different things you can do outside in the summer. And watch for all those different colors. So this book is all about what you can do in the summer. In many places, summer weather is warm. What is the weather like in San Marcos for our summer? What was our summer like? A summer is a season. It gets pretty hot here, doesn't it? So what do you think are some things that we can make connections to? What do we do in summer? I go like this. So when I make a connection to a story, I can go like this, saying, hey, I like that same thing, or I do that same thing. So also, while you're reading, think about some connections. Maybe you like to do this also. You ready to get started? At the grass. The grass is green. And this down here says green grass. The children are running in the green grass. Does that look like fun? What makes you think that? Have you ever ran like that in the green grass? You can make a connection to this story. Look at that green grass. Look at the water. The water is blue. It says blue water. The children are swimming in the blue water. Look at the boats. The boats are yellow. Boats. I see a lot of yellow boats on the river. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yellow boats on the river. Look at the horse. The horse is brown. This girl is riding the brown horse. There she is. Look at the pail. The pail is red. This boy has a red pail that he's using to get water for his sand. Red pail. Look at the kite. The kite is orange. He's got an orange kite. Oh, look at that orange kite. He's flying. The boy is flying the orange kite. Do you like to do this in the summer? Have you made any connections to the story yet? I like to do that. Look at the slides. The slides are purple. Purple slides. The two boys are on the purple slide. I can make a connection to that. I have gone down a purple slide also. Look at the balls. The balls are green, red, blue, yellow, orange, and purple. There are so many colorful balls you can play with. Can you name the colors you see? What colors do you see? I see it right there. Look at all those different colors. Orange, blue, purple, green, red, yellow. There's so many different colors, isn't there? Oh, the author left us some notes. So let's look at this before we sign off for the day. It says, fun in the summer. Summer, remember, summer is our season that we're talking about. It's hotter here in Texas. It says there are lots of things to do in the summer. You can swim. You can ride in boats. You can hike in the woods. You can dig in the sand. You can play games. You can play with balls. You can have fun. I hope you enjoyed our story, Summer Fun. Was there something you made a connection to today? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Bonham Bears.